This is a short video clip today. It is Monday, Labor Day, 12:34 in the afternoon, and the skies are just about completely dark. These are from the fires north of Loveland in Fort Collins. It's getting kind of scary out here, folks. Anybody want to offer me refuge? I'm thinking about packing up. Let me know. Love ya.